Okay, so ito na yung offline EBIR forms package D7.6. So yung sa profile, so i-key in lang natin yung tax identification number or yung PIN, then RDO code, line of business, registered name, registered address, zip code, telephone number, then email address. So kung first time yung mag-fill up ng profile, so kailangan talagang i-fill up nyo lahat to. Pero kung pangalawa na, if i-key in nyo lang yung TIN, saka RDO code, lalabas na yung lahat ng information na na-fill up nyo. So, dito tayo sa list of BIR forms. Please select. So, ang i-fill up natin ngayon ay ang 1701Q, 1701Q, ito, 1701Q V 2018, quarterly income tax return for self-employed individuals, estate, and trust. So, fill up lang natin yan. Okay, background information, okay lang yan. Hintayin-tayin lang natin ng konti. So, ito na yung form, BIR form number 1701Q, quarterly income tax return for individuals, estates, and trusts. So, sa number 1, for the year 2020, kasi 2020 tayo ngayon. Then sa number 2, quarter, so first quarter. Ang deadline pala ng first quarter ay May 15. Then sa number 3, amended return. Nakalagay dito no, kasi hindi ko naman inulit to. First time ko pang final to. So sa number 4, number of sheets attached 0 kasi wala akong attachment. Then sa part 1, background information ng taxpayer or filer. So as we've noticed, sa number 5, TIN, mayroon na yung nakalagay na TIN. Number 6, RDO code, meron na rin yan. Sa 7, taxpayer filer type. Itong pina-file ko ay single proprietor. Negosyante siya. Okay, click lang natin yan. Okay, sa number 8, alphanumeric tax code or ATC, ang i-click natin dito ay ang business income tax graduated IT rates. Kasi ito pa rin yung gagamitin namin this year. Nakagraduated pa rin kami kasi hindi namin na pa-update. Dapat earlier, ipa-update mo na yung COR mo kung gusto mong magpalit, kasi gusto sana namin business income 8% IT rate, late na. So, baka next year na lang kasi parang mas nakakatipid tayo sa 8% IT rate. Kasi hindi na tayo magbabayad ng percentage tax. So, as you've noticed, sa number 8, yung sa ATC, pag na-click mo na tong graduated IT rates, yung number 60 naman, ito nag-automatic na siya, graduated rates per tax table page 2 yan. Naka-automatic na siya dito. Okay, so number 9, may naka-fill up na, taxpayer's name, number 10, address. Okay, din sa number 11, date of birth, so key-in lang natin. Number 12, email address. So, andyan na, leave lang natin yan. Number 13, yung citizenship. Then, number 14, foreign tax number. Hindi man applicable yan. Number 15, claiming foreign tax credits. Lagyan natin no. Hindi naman yan applicable. Number 16, ito nakagraduated siya. Then, sabi dito, tax rate, choose one for income from business profession. Okay. So, sa number 16A, method of deduction. So, dito kami sa optional standard deduction or OSD. 40% of gross sales, receipts, revenues. Yan. Okay, sa part 3, total tax payable. So, ang mga information dito ay magkakaroon to ng information or amount pag na-fill up natin yung sa page 2. So, in-next natin to. Okay, dito na tayo sa page 2. So, part 5, computation of tax due. Declaration this quarter. If graduated rate, fill in items 36 to 46. So, since nakagraduated tayo, so, ang i-fill up natin is from 36 to 46 lang. So, sabi ng 36, sales, revenues, receipts, fees, or net of sales, returns, allowances, and discounts. So, example guys, 100,000 yung binta natin from January to March. Example lang yan guys. So, number 37, less. Cost of sales services applicable only if availing itemized deduction. So, hindi applicable sa atin to kasi we are availing the OSD, the optional deduction. So, number 38, gross income. Item 36 less 37. So, sabi dito 36 less 37. So, 100,000 less 0. So, 100,000 pa rin. So, less allowable deductions. Number 39, total allowable itemized deduction. Hindi applicable sa atin yan. So, dito tayo sa number 40, optional standard deduction yan. Ito yung ginagamit natin. OSD. So, 40% of item 36. Sabi dito, 40% of item 36. So, 40% of 100,000. It's 40,000. Yan. Pino-compute na ni computer, ni BIR. Automatic na. Hindi na tayo pinapahirapan. So, sa number 41, net income loss this quarter. So, item 38, less either item 39 or 40. So, sabi dito, ito yung 38, 100,000, minus 40. Yung sa OSD natin, yung 40% ng 100, 40,000. So, 60,000. Yan. So, add 42, taxable income or loss or from previous quarters. So, since first quarter itong final natin, so 0 pa yan, wala pa tayong ilagay dyan. So, number 43, non-operating income, specify, wala naman, so 0. So, number 44, amount received share in income by a partner from general profession partnership. So, wala tayo niyan, 0. So, number 45, total taxable income to date. Yan. Sum of item 41 to 44. So, 41, 60. Add natin tong 42 to 44. Puro naman 0 yan. So, 60,000 pa rin. So, item 46 tax due, item 45 times applicable tax rate based on tax table below. Yan. 0 nakalagay dito. Titingnan natin kung bakit 0 lang. Tingnan natin yung table sa baba. Yan. So, table number 1, tax rates. Effective January 1, 2018 to December 31, 2022. So, if taxable income is not over 250. So, magkano ba yung taxable income natin? Yan, 60,000 lang. Kasi hindi siya umabot ng 250. So, kaya 0 siya. Yan. Okay. So, next is, i-leave natin tong 47 to 54 kasi hindi applicable sa atin yan. So, Schedule 3, tax credits payments. Number 55, prior years excess credits. Number 55, wala naman tayong, credits last year. 0 yun. Then, pag mayroon, ilagay natin. Yung naka-negative. Yung CBIR, yung may utang ba? Kaya, ilagay natin yun. Pero, since wala, di 0 lang yan. So, number 56, tax payments for the previous quarters. Since first quarter, pa, so 0 yan. Wala pa tayong, previous quarter. So, 57, creditable tax withheld for the previous quarters. So, 0 then. So, 58, creditable tax withheld per BIR form 2307 for this quarter. 0, walang collection. Number 59, tax paid in return previously filed if this is amended. So, 0 pa rin yan kasi hindi naman amended yan. So, number 60, foreign tax credits if applicable. Wala, 0. Number 61, other tax credits payments. Specify. Wala, 0. So, number 62, total tax credits payment. Sum of item 55 to 61. 55 to 61. 0 lahat. Kaya 0 yung total. So, number 63, tax payable or overpayment. So, item 46, since 0 yung sa 46, plus item 61, 0 din. Kaya 0 yung total. Yan. Ganun lang. So, sa Schedule 4 penalties, 64, surcharge, interest, compromise, 0 lahat yan kasi wala pa tayo niyan. Applicable lang yan sa pag hindi ka nakapag-file on time. Kaya may mga penalties. So, balikan natin sa previous page, sa page 1. Yan. So, as you've noticed, dito sa part 3, total tax payable. So, sa number 26, tax due, nakalagay dito 0. Kasi 0 nga yung, tax due. So, number 27, tax credit payment, 0. Number 28, tax payable or overpayment, 0. Penalties din, add penalties, wala, 0. Total amount payable or overpayment, 0 lahat. So, number 31, aggregate amount payable overpayment. Lahat, 0. Okay. So, sa dito, ilagay mo lang pangalan, tapos, pirmahan, yun. Pag na-print mo na to. So, part 4, details of payment. So, applicable lang to pag, i-fill upan to kung magbabayad ka sa over-the-counter or sa mga RDO nyo. Yan, pag cash, ilagay dito amount. Pag cheque naman, may Nakalagay dito, drawee bank, kung anong bangko, check number, anong date, amount. Yan, yun lang. So, validate natin guys, para malaman natin kung mayroon tayong na-miss na items na hindi na fill upan. Okay, click natin validate. So, validation successful. Yan, okay lang. So, after this, isubmit na natin for final copy. Yan, sabi dito, please ensure that you have an internet access and a valid email address is indicated in your tax return. So, okay lang to. So, yan na. Thank you for using EBIR form. So, by clicking agree, you confirm that you have read, understood, and agreed to. So, okay lang natin to. So, ganun lang guys. Ganun lang kadaling sabi dito, your tax return was not submitted online due to any of the following reasons that may interrupt the submission process. So, ang rason daw is it's either no internet connection, slow internet connection, or overly restrictive. So, okay lang natin to. So, yan. So, i-submit natin ulit. So, submit final copy. Okay, resending your tax return to EBIR forms online. Click OK and wait. Hintay lang natin ng konti. Baka mahina lang kasi yung internet kanina. Okay. Successful na siya guys. So, submit successful. A notification will be sent to your email. Then, please ensure that the said email address is correct and then check your inbox, including your spam folder, in the next few minutes for the email. Print or save the email as evidence of e-filed return. Note, there will be some delays on email sending of confirmation. Please bear with us. So, okay lang natin. Okay. Then, close na natin. Okay, so, ito na yung confirmation. Tax return receipt confirmation ni BIR. Buksan na natin. So, guys, ito yung hitsura niya. Yan, so, ito na yung ipiprint natin together with the BIR form 1701Q for our file at saka kung magbabayad tayo sa bangko over the counter. So, hihingi din sila nito. So, okay guys, that's it. Yun lang. So, thank you for watching and see you in my next upload.